Hi everybody. So I have these glass gems that I had, actually my husband bought them for me around Christmas time. So I was trying to figure out what am I going to do with them, and I think I figured it out. I have put in here some red, gold, and clear with a little gold in it. And I think I'm just going to pour the polyurethane resin right around this. This is a phone stand, so I'm gonna get my mask on and my gloves and everything, and we'll see how this turns out.
Start with a spark, and ideas glow. Hands on the clay, let the magic grow. Mold it with love, shape it with care. Dreams come alive in the art we share. Creating molds, casting souls. Express your mind, let it unwind. Imagination, setting free. Innovation, come and see. From thought to touch, from heart to hand.
It's the next day. I have this alcohol ink that's silver, and I have just put it into this little cup, and I'm just putting it onto the white area.
Casting souls, express your mind, let it unwind. Imagination, setting free.
Alright, so I have some black alcohol ink in here. I'm going to add some pearl white to that. Just give it a nice mix. See the color, it's like a dark gray. So I'm just going to add it little by little on here.
Together we stand, creating molds, casting souls. Express your mind, let it unwind.
So it's been 4 hours, and I have, I put this through my resin curing machine twice, so 2 hours each time. So I just want to see how it's looking here. So let's get that out of there. Easier just to cut it. There you go. not gonna worry about what the back looks like so much. Just need to see if this will go in there. Okay. I will come back with some pictures here at the end. I like it. I hope you like it too. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe down below. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.